this is the Ecodisc in Athlone Town Centre, not Athlone in Westmeath. I want to go down to B, or not A. B. There's some beeps. First time I've seen this indicator. I wonder what it'll say level. Ah, basement here. Love those brakes. Right, up to 1. That seems a bit muffled. 1 second. Oh, these seem to be 5 gen. I don't know. Cab. It seems like a modded Opus with that ceiling, like the curve in the ceiling. 2007. 1. So this is Athlone. First floor. Door closed does not work. Floor 0, and that'll be it. Going back down. Can't remember if I mentioned this is my first KSS 620. Yay. Pretty big. Looks like a modded Opus. I want to go to 0. Does this have Contractor? It does not. The close button works, and the other one, the door close, doesn't work. And we got stuck with the door hold on. Lovely. A. 0. And that will be it. Polished. Oh, back down in. This is not the brake plump one. You'll hear the one. If you go back to the start, you'll hear the epic brake one. I'm going to A as well. Hear the message. Spamming the close button does the door trick. It's 17. Oh, no message. So the door close button seems to work when the doors are fully open, but not when the door is closed. Oh, I don't know. That'll be it for me. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Plonk.